Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a helpful tutorial on how to reset your Blink cameras. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity issues or simply refreshing your setup, we've got you covered. Resetting your Blink camera is a straightforward process that can resolve many common issues. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing your Blink app. First, grab your smartphone and open the Blink app. If you haven't already, log into your Blink account. Step 2. Selecting your camera. Navigate to the camera you wish to reset. Tap on the camera settings. Step 3. Locating Reset option. Scroll down until you find the Device Settings section. Look for the option labeled Reset Camera. Step 4. Confirming Reset. Tap on Reset Camera and confirm your action. Your Blink camera will now begin the reset process. Step 5. Waiting for restart. Allow your camera a few moments to restart. During this time, you'll notice the LED lights blinking. Step 6. Reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Once restarted, open the Blink app again. Follow the prompts to reconnect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Blink camera is now reset and ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, leave us a comment below. Until next time, stay connected.